These are the 2.0 Atlas from Ruroc, and we're very excited to share with you the new updates that they've constructed.
Let's get them open. Oh, I've just noticed something pretty cool. See, we didn't know we were getting these. It's the Shockwave. This is cool.
Carbon fibre raw.
Okay, let's talk about some of the updates that Ruroc have made. They've listened to their customers. One of the really obvious ones is these emergency cheek pad removal tabs, which are very helpful in an accident, but hopefully none of you will ever get an accident.
Another real cool update is the pin lock system, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, means much clearer vision, all different types of weather.
Apparently people were having their nose touch the front of the helmet, so they moved the whole head back in the helmet, which I think is awesome.
Beforehand, you needed a special tool to change the visor around. Now it's a lot easier, so you can go from your daytime dark visor or your light bad weather visor very quickly.
So Ruroc have actually also been able to reduce the wind noise, which is awesome. So a couple of people were saying that the helmet was quite noisy at really high speeds. So they've been able to combat that situation.
There was some water ingress that people spoke about. So this has got a new seal all the way around to deal with that.
And unless we're forgetting something, the last thing that Ruroc have done to this helmet, which is wicked, is they've got a visor lock system. So when you're at high speed, hopefully not over the speed limit, you can actually lock your visor down so it can't be moved by the wind.
And if you like a tinted visor, all Ruroc lids come with a black visor in the box. So we've got the Shockwave system here, which is a Bluetooth connected audio system. We've got the boom and speaker here, charging cable, screwdriver for fitting it, and obviously the unit itself. So take out these two screws, remove the cover, slide in the Bluetooth device and the screws back in, and you're ready to go. To fit these speakers into the helmet, you pull back the cheek pads, there's a recess there. Obviously the audio jack goes in and your microphone you stick at the front. All Ruroc helmets are DOT and ECE certified. So let's try it on. It's really comfortable. Ruroc have done a great job. But I would say I'm a size small now because this feels, this medium, a bit too big. I'm looking forward to trying it.